Well, hello and welcome. Today we have McDonald's breakfast with a hot chocolate, but I also have, it's a special treat, there is a viewer called whitepetalcakes. She's got this little business where she makes luxurious cakes and desserts and stuff, and she sent me 2 boxes to try, and these are available in time for Christmas, by the way, if anybody's interested. So I'm going to do a taste test after in McDonald's. Very curious. So, right, McDonald's first. Hot chocolate. Where's my wipes? Here they is. Right, normally McDonald's, oh my god, there's still work being done out there. Oh wow. If I'd waited till lunchtime, I wouldn't have been able to get breakfast. Right, so normally I get a double sausage, an egg, muffin with a hash brown. But I got something I've never got before. I got a breakfast roll with brown sauce, extra sausage, extra cheese. Now I believe there's sausage patties in here too, 1 egg, 2 slices of cheese and some bacon. Looks good. What? Where's the bacon? Oh yeah. I'll show you. Now that's gonna have to go over there. That's what it's looking like. Why are they always so messy? Presentation is everything. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, so bacon. Let's have a quick bite of this. Loads of brown sauce. Cheers. Bun's more nice and soft. That's really nice. I could get that again. Normally I remove bacon that's in things, but I wanted to try it as intended. I know everyone's in such a rush in the mornings. Those people in there wanting their McDonald's, but I wish they would keep it tidy. This is really nice. You know what else I really like from there is a jam, buttered and jam muffin. So tasty. Hash brown. I know some people like to put it in their muffins or rolls. I've tried it, it doesn't help it or improve it. So a lot less greasier than they used to be, which is a plus. Wonder what these are like. She said she's going to send me some cake slices as well. Really excited about that. It's just exactly really the same as the muffins. But I think the muffins are buttered and these are not. So the difference in flavour is only slight. Texture, these are much softer. And dare I say, you know, I think I might like it a bit more. I don't know. Mmm. This is Slay Mama. I've just bought a couple of colours for Christmas. So this is Slay Mama by Rimmel. I've got another one coming. Can't remember what the colour is called. To see which one I think is more Christmassy. Can't believe it's almost Christmas. It's a lot of positivity coming, isn't it? So it just happens so quick. You know what? The sausage is dominating the flavour because I added extra. And normally I get a double sausage, double egg in the muffin. I'll do the same this next time, especially as it's like a 1 meal a day thing at the moment for me. Just add just a bit more brown sauce. Okay, it's a bit much, but last one. Cheers. Yeah, it's good. My daughter and I, whenever we get McDonald's, no matter what we're getting, we always get hot chocolate usually. But the quality, taste and all that really varies. Sometimes it's just water. It's good today. Oh, that was lovely. Right, now let's look at these cakes that White Petal Cakes has sent me. So, well, these aren't cakes. Well, some of them are. Oh, let's see, Christmas selection. Okay. Yeah. Excuse me. Website and her Instagram and all that I'll leave in the description. Message. Alright, that's what it looks like inside. Now, she said all the biscuits, cookies are peppermint. It's not my favourite flavour, but she didn't know what to send me. These are salted caramel macarons apparently, so I'm really excited about trying these. But look at the artistry. I'm gonna love this biscuit if it's not too pepperminty. And then there's a Merry Christmas and what's that? Oh baby, it's cold outside. Cute. So I'm not sure what to try. Let's try one of these because I won't eat all this. I need to share it out, right? It's almost criminal to bite into that. Right, I'll try the Merry Christmas one. Sorry, it's like I didn't want to open. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, I knew that would taste wonderful. That smells fantastic. I'm going to love that. So does that smell pepperminty? Oh, a little bit. Is it just the icing, I wonder? All right, so let's see. Here goes. Cheers. Homemade, without fail, wonderful. These are naughty. And very, very good. Peppermint is very, very subtle. I thought because it's peppermint, I probably need to take a couple of bites. I'm going to eat it all. That base is so, so good. Mmm. So refreshing. And clean. And I'm so funny with icing, that's the thing, but this is so delicate. Not powdery or anything like that. Mmm. Well, this was better than I expected, for sure. So good. Let's just check out this salted caramel macarons. Never ever had a macaron before. Let's see if I can get this open. Here goes. Cheers. Mm. What even is a macaron? Sort of caramels are all good. All I can taste is salted caramel. I'm not sure what this is. Salted caramel is gorgeous. What is a macaron? I'm not really first experience, so I'm not even sure what that is. Yeah, I enjoyed the salted caramel. Not sure I like the texture of, because it's like a texture of nothing. Macaron. Oh, late. Alright, what's in this one? This is all chocolatey. It's early, so you know lots of messages. And look at this one. How cute. I know there's like an Oreo Fudge Brownie. I will get this open. Excuse me. Oh, there's something. What's that? Pretzel thing? What the hell is that? Blondie something? She told me what they were and I've forgotten already. Oh, look. Scan always bored. Alright, so she's thrown in another one of these. And the salted caramel macarons. So I won't try those again. Look. Another one of those. Oh, look at the t-shirt. Christmas jumper. That's so cute. Right, so I won't try these. I'm not really sure what this is, so I might try one of those. Right, I've had obviously this. So was it cake inside? Oh, it looks like there might be chocolate cake in there. Is this the Oreo one then? I don't know. I'll have to let you know once I've bitten into it. What shall I have? I'll have the buckle. Not sure. I don't think I like the smell of that icing. It's probably this one here. Because I'm funny with icing. Unless it's butter icing or something. Cheers. Oh no, I don't like that. Oh, I don't like that at all. Oh my god, what is this? A Christmas cake. I'm not really sure what's in there. Not really sure what that is. Not really sure. Sorry about that, but I don't like that one. Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh, look, so does that. I believe these pretzels are salted caramel. And this is cake. I want to try this first. I don't want to bin that, someone else can have that. Oh my god. Now what is that? Oh my god, it's like a banana cake sort of thing. It's very buttery and Oh. Ginger. gingerbread. Gingerbread cake. Heaven. This is so beautifully done. Well, I'll finish that later. But I'm not going to have any room. This is the Oreo Fudge Brownie. Or Oreo Cookie Brownie, I think. There's got to be easier ways to open this. That's naughty. Oh, chocolate orange. Cheers. Oh, orange chocolate is my favourite chocolate. Apart from plain Cadbury chocolate, the regular Dairy Milk. Right, let's clean up a little bit. My favourite is definitely that gingerbread. So far, the cookies, the salted caramel and the macarons, but the macarons are something I need to get used to, I think, because I've never had one. It's very new texture. And this is cake. So that isn't Oreo. Maybe this is the Oreo cake. I'm not sure I want to open this. Smells like more brownie. Oh, that's nice. I don't want to break into this, but the fact that it's chocolate, or chocolate buttercream there, chocolate pieces, we know that's going to be good, right? Yeah, I know. I won't try that, because that I can save for tomorrow or something. Right, Emma, thank you very much for sending this stuff to me. I loved it all. Apart from this. I don't remember what you said this was. But yeah, something I didn't like about that at all. But we can't like everything, can we? Everything is so beautifully done. I love it. So thank you very much for sending it. If anybody's interested in tasting some of this stuff, especially for Christmas or as a gift or something to somebody, I'm sure you'll agree. Lovely, lovely stuff. Go check out her website and her Instagram and see what she does and what's available. All right, well, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you enjoyed the breakfast and the goodies afterwards. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.